Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Alright, as you see in front of you, there is a website going around to demand an autopsy and an investigation into Antonin Scalia's death. I don't know who started this, but it seems legit. See if I can find somebody who started it. And I gotta go through a bunch of comments and everything. Anyways, it's a petition. Demandanautopsy.com is a member of Liberty Alliance, all rights reserved, so that's who's doing it, copyright 2016. And basically, it's to demand an autopsy and investigation into Justice Antonin Scalia's potential homicide. And I think that this is one of the biggest things since the Kennedy situation involving his murder. Well, we know his was an open assassination. We don't know anything into Scalia's background as to, who he vetted versus who he didn't. Was he indebted to the mob? Was he doing something that night with a prostitute that got him killed? I don't know. You don't know. You could say, any number of things with any number of people. And more than likely, it would probably be something potentially bad. So anyways, hey you guys, so this is the website here. Alright, so here's the website. Outrage American citizens everywhere demand an investigation and autopsy. This has to do with Court Justice Anthony Scalias in Texas. 79. You guys get the idea. Here is the website. I will provide this by it. So this is what it is, folks. So please and thank you. Sign.